It could possibly destroy over 6,000 jobs.
More than 100,000 Minnesotans will lose health care coverage.
20 to 25% of the hospital's revenue comes from Medicaid dollars. This isn't going to just affect hospitals and medical care. It's going to affect things like SNAP. It's going to be slashed by $292 million in Minnesota. That's taking food away from children, elderly people, veterans, and people with disabilities.
This isn't about saving money, it's cruelty.
I don't think I could have said it better myself. You've heard it a million times. What these people are doing to the country is cruel, and that is entirely the point. And today I'm going to tell you one small thing you can do to keep yourself informed and keep taking action. So as always, make sure you like, please comment, and repost to get the word out and follow along for more updates. But as many of you know, the big, terrible bill they passed recently affects Medicaid for a lot of people. Not a lot of people are talking about how that will affect the rural healthcare system with hospitals collapsing across the country. What you saw was a clip from a rally up in Hibbing, Minnesota, in which they're talking about how it will be affecting them and Minnesotans across the state here. But it's not just in Minnesota. Imagine those numbers across the country in every state, because that's what it's going to be. We've been talking about this for a while. What can you do? It feels helpless. 100% agree. Well, recently I've been working with a group called AFSCME. I'm not sure if you're familiar with them or not, but they are wonderful. They are a huge labor union that represents approximately 1.4 million public service workers across the United States. Most likely seen them at some of your local events, we'll refer to them as, that we've all been attending. But they are taking on the billionaires and the people who are trying to take the power from us. They do a ton of things. They advocate for policies. They support working families. Go look them up. And follow them as well. Educate yourself on your local unions, and they put out a lot of good information and often a lot of the upcoming, events and stuff happening in cities. So not only are they a great group to support because they are supporting people, but follow along with them if you want to stay up to date on things.